Hi everybody, Mark Kirby again. This time I want to talk to you about the second mini project. The second mini project is a lot like the first mini project in that you're going to get some real-world transactions and activities that you get to record from the general journal into the general ledger all the way through a worksheet and create financial statements from it. Let's see. The mini project is at the back of chapter 13. If you have the 13th edition of the book, that's at page 481. The entire project is in the book. All the directions are there, the transactions are there, the opening balances are there that you're going to need. The opening balances are on page 484. Remember the steps of the project. You're given the transactions, analyze them, record them in the general journal. Once you're complete with that, post those to the general ledger. When you're done with that, calculate your ending balances, post those to a trial balance. When you're sure that your trial balance is in balance, then there are some adjustments to make, some end of the month analysis and adjustments. Go ahead and do the analysis, post the adjusting entries, the adjustments to the worksheet, and then calculate your ending balances, and then go ahead and complete the worksheet. Remember, if you run into any problems, I put some of the common accounting errors on Blackboard. There's a sheet there, you can go refer to that. It might help you find out why you're in balance or out of balance. As far as how long this project should take you, expect this project to take longer than the first project. I anticipate this one will take you between 8 and 15 hours to complete. The first project I estimated would take you between 6 and 12. So remember how you did on the first project, how long that took you, and estimate accordingly for yourself. If you have any questions, I'm always available by email. I'm always available for my office hour too. It's the hour before class in the classroom. Come on by. I'm more than happy to help you out. Again, I won't just outright give you the answers, but I will help walk you through it and figure out where you're having a challenge and get you done. Okay? Let's see. I do encourage you guys to work in groups. Feel free to work with some partners or in a group. Again, I think there's a lot of learning that can go on there. One of you may remember something from class or be able to help the others through a step that you would otherwise have to stop and come ask me about. Now remember though, just because you're working in a group, you need to turn in your own work. Don't just copy the other guy's paper and change the name at the top. I'm going to treat that as cheating just like I do on an exam. And you guys remember how strict I am on exams. There is a zero tolerance for cheating, so do turn in your own work. Again, you'll be turning in a finished accounting report, so it needs to look neat, it needs to be clear, and to do that you can use, again, whatever paper you need. If you want to use just regular line paper, go ahead, that's fine. If you want to use graph paper, that's fine. If you want to use accountant's ledger paper, that's fine. I also posted a template on Blackboard. The template's in Excel, so you can download the template and you can do it straight in Excel. Or what a lot of people seem to do is they print the template out and then just fill it in by hand. Any of those are fine, and I will accept all of those when you turn in your final project. Okay. Remember that this is work for a company that already exists. So as you're setting up your chart of accounts and you're opening the general ledger, there will be balances, opening balances from the prior month. Those balances are on page 484 in the book if you have the 13th edition. So make sure that you make an entry for beginning balance and you show that beginning amount. If you don't, you're not going to be in balance later on, or you could be, but you will still be off. Your balances will be off, your income statement will be incorrect, your balance sheet will be incorrect, etc. So do indeed remember the beginning balances. Finally, remember this is a formal report you're turning in. Again, neat and tidy. Treat it like you just got your first job and you're trying to impress your boss. And unfortunately for you, your boss is me. So make it neat, make it tidy, and turn in your best work. Good luck with the project. If you have any questions, again, come by my office hours, shoot me an email. I'm more than happy to help you, and I hope you learn a lot from this.